Video today we got a very exciting one because as you can clearly see right here, I just got in my S&M Slide Pipe V2 right here on, I guess it was like Black Friday sale, but last I checked it was still on sale after Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So if you're watching this video, maybe if I upload it in time, check out S&M, see if this is still on sale, because regularly this is $260 for this rail right here. I got this bad boy for $85. I could not pass that up. I was like, dang, $85 for this Slide Pipe V2 right here? Yeah, I had to pick it up. So here it is. It finally arrived, and yeah, we're gonna unbox it, assemble it, and try to hit a couple of grinds on it. So yeah, I'm super excited to put this thing together and ride it, so let's go ahead and do that. Yeah, there we go. That works. Mr. Charlie Crumlish was not kidding when he said this thing was rock effing solid. It says like 20 pounds, bro. 15 pounds? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that makes sense. Alright, and then you got the other side of the pipe. Oh, got it there. Good thing these are all nice and wrapped up. And we got the middle piece, I think. Also, I think the middle piece. And then, yep, these are my stickers in here so they don't get squished. Appreciate that. Thank you very much. All right. Oh, I see what happened here. The side of the bag split open. I was like, how did they all fall out? There you go. There's your answer. All right. So, we got all our parts here. We'll start assembling that in just a sec. This looks like, so this is definitely for the middle piece. I think that's the middle piece, and I think, yeah, these are the legs. So let's get that. Oh my god, the legs are so heavy. Like I said, I'm assuming that's just to make it more stable. Oh my gosh. Red shit. Yeah. There we go. That weren't so bad. And then let's get this other one going here. Come on, get in there. Yep. Yep. This last little corner, just gotta stretch it over. There we go. Yep, brute force it in there. Boom. Alright, so I think these are, there's a upside down because it wasn't fitting the other way, so make sure these are the right side up. Alright, now that I got pretty much everything out, unwrapped, and I got my tools, we're going to go ahead and start putting this thing together. And it looks like you just need one screw down here, so we're going to actually take out this. We'll finish this up and then we'll get to sliding on this pipe right here. I'm excited, I can't wait. Put one side right there. Grab the other side with the same. Alright, we good, we good. Put that back right there. And then we're grabbing this side. Alright, yeah. So get them nice laid out on the side like that. And what we are going to do is you're going to line up these holes with the ones down here, obviously. Oh man, but put at least one of these in halfway. Since I didn't see any direct video showing it exactly how to do it, I mean, it is pretty straightforward, but just in case you have any questions or anything like that, this should be how to assemble the S&M Slide Pipe V2 right there, right after I finish tightening everything. But man, look at the Man, look at this, $85. $85. I got a whole rail. I got a whole skate park obstacle. Portable, I can break it down, take it wherever. Oh man, I'm gonna have some fun. Woo! Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is gonna be fun. Definitely check out the next video of me actually riding this thing. But yeah, thanks for watching, and if you made it to the end, drop a like or a comment, and yeah, see you in the next video. Love you all. Peace.
Insecure, should be ashamed. I got them sweating, feel the heat wave.